are. We are
Hello guys, we arrived here close to the town Labin in Istria, Croatia, and we are going to one park that is very cute. It has lots of statues and it's big. Yeah, it's supposed to be really big as well. We were here already a couple of months ago. It was Alfa Romeo car meeting, so we stopped here and we had like 20 minutes to explore the park. We did not even have enough time to explore the entire park, so we said it's such a cute place, we're going to visit it again with bikes. And yeah, we're now getting ready for a bike ride. It's been a while since I rode a bike. I think the last time was in 2022 probably, at the island of Briuni. And it's getting late because I slept long, but I'm sure we're going to have fun, at least one short bike ride, and let me take you along with us. This is where we are. The parking lot is now completely empty. There is one restaurant over there. Here's my little son, our bikes, his little bicycle. We already entered the park. These are the fun statues and it's full of them actually. Look at this place, it's really lovely. It's really lovely here and we're having so much fun actually. It's not that cold. I expected it would be way colder, but it's not. This is such a lovely place where you can actually have a picnic when the weather is really nice and lovely. Just enjoy being in the nature. This is my bike, guys. I've had it for many years. I bought it in Italy and now we transferred it here. This is one of the sculptures. And then there are many more. Finish first.
Yes,
you win. We're going to take some photos here because it's very cute place. It's like an arch, as you can see, and we also spotted one where is like a big snail that we saw the past time we were here, and we took some photos there. Ready to take some photos, little one?
Yeah!
We are still driving. It's getting a bit chilly now. Such a fun place to explore. And we're going to drive our bikes for a little bit more, and then we're probably going to head somewhere, I don't know, home or something to eat. We will see. This sculpture here is called the Wheel of Time. Interesting, right? The Wheel of Time. This was so much fun. We definitely have to repeat this experience. We've had our bikes since forever, but we don't really enjoy them that often, and it's such a shame, so we definitely need to go on a bike ride more often. Did you enjoy this bike ride? Did you have fun? Yes. We stopped in Labin town now, and we are at the very center of the town, old town, and we're going to get a souvenir, probably just a fridge magnet. It's our tradition. I made myself freshly squeezed juice. This one is from spinach, beetroot, lemon and apples and a bit of ginger. It's full of vitamin C and iron, and it's really good for my iron levels and for the whole immunity system. So I'm going to drink this and just enjoy now. So guys, I wanted to show you what I ended up buying at Teddy store for art and supplies. For DIY projects. So I got these threads. This one is elastic and this one is really great quality. It's very durable. I use it to make my crystal bracelets. And I also got this one. This one is transparent, as you can see, and I like to use it for my necklaces or sometimes even for bracelets, depending on the model of the bracelet, obviously. And then I also found these, how do you call them, pliers, right? This is like a set, and they were only €5 for both, I mean for the whole kit, which I thought was really great price. I already have my tools that I use for making jewelry, but for this price, I mean, it's always nice to have an extra pair. And also I got lots of things to create, like little bracelets or earrings or whatever, and some beads. Well, I don't really use plastic when creating my jewelry. I only use wood, seashells, feathers, crystals, obviously, natural materials, silver. These can be interesting for, you know, my son to play with them. Then I got these ones. These are real wood, and I really love the pastel colors. Can you see how many of these are in this pack? And it's only €5, and they had 30% off, I believe. Art supplies were discounted, so I did not even expect that, but it was great. And I really need these because I'm making like wall decorations, so these are very colorful and pretty, and I'm going to tie them with some really pretty ropes. And yeah, I do have an idea in mind. When I was in my early 20s, I used to make extra long necklaces from these beads. I also had those very small, very colorful beads. They were really pretty, very colorful, and you could wrap them around your neck several times. They were just like a little something for your outfit to make it a bit more special. Because I've been making jewelry for a long time, guys. And I also got these colors here, acrylic colors, and I like them because they are very, you know, pretty pastel colors, unicorn colors, as you can see. So I bought them. Still have to test them to see their quality and color pigment, color payoff, but I just thought they were so pretty. And then I also got this pretty box to organize my crystal materials, everything that I need to make crystal jewelry. So this is fantastic, and I think I will need another one because this one is already packed full and I still have more material to add. As you can see, it opens like that, and then I have some utensils here, and I have my crystals, I have pendants and all what I use to create personalized jewelry. I have these are so gorgeous, Tree of Life, and I like to incorporate them in a crystal bracelet. So I basically custom make everything based on your needs and desires. I use different crystals depending on your preference, depending on what you feel drawn to, depending on the energy that you want to bring into your life. I have rose quartz here that is so gorgeous. Then I have this yellow topaz, howlet white. This one is really good for calming energies. Amethyst, deep purple, onyx black for protection, and I have tiger's eye. Well, I have lots of crystals that are ready to be incorporated into beautiful jewelry piece. And I also have here my little book of crystals. I have lots of books that talk about crystals, their healing powers, their properties, but this one is cute and compact, very handy to carry here. And if I want to, you know, just freshen up my memory about certain crystal and the properties of certain crystal, about zodiac signs and things like that, it's very helpful. So yeah, I gain my knowledge through lots of different books, through internet, through different healers that I follow, and through my own personal experience and personal intuition. I'd say that's really, you know, very important to listen your intuition. Good morning, guys. How are you doing? I was just tidying up the kitchen, had some plates to put in my dishwasher that were left since yesterday. I was a bit tired yesterday evening, so we had an early night. Yeah, now I am going to have breakfast. I'm going to squeeze an orange juice because I really like to start my day like this in this cold period of the year. I am also wearing my green hoodie. This is super old, but it's very warm. It's filled with faux fur inside, and I remember I bought it when I started working at H&M many years ago. It was one of my first purchases because where we lived we didn't have heating yet. We were waiting for the heating that winter, and it was very challenging winter, so I was stocking up on really warm clothes. So I like to wear it still because it's very, you know, warm, cozy and fuzzy. Yeah, let me prepare my breakfast and then I'm going to journal a little bit. And today I have a plan to tidy up my art studio. I would need like a cabinet or something to put all my paints and stuff so it can be nice and in order, but I'm still figuring that part out. Anyway, I'm going to vlog today and see what comes out of it. Hopefully it will be something interesting. So in this period I'm actually doing a lot of homemade fresh juices. In the morning I will usually have orange juice, and then I also like to make later on spinach, beetroot, ginger, lemon and apple juice. Sometimes I will do apple, carrot and orange. And I recently bought celery, so I think I'm going to include that as well in my combination. I really like juicing. It gives me a boost of energy. So I would definitely recommend you to do that as well instead of buying juices. This is much healthier. And yeah guys, probably going to rain. We've had a week of very sunny weather, but it wasn't warm. It was quite chilly. The wind was blowing the famous Bura wind, so it was quite cold, and it snowed in the nearby mountains. But now rain is expected any day now, and it's all cloudy and gloomy. But I don't know if it's going to rain today or maybe tomorrow. I'm going to check on the forecast later. But it's enough to just go outside and look at the sky basically. Here is my mug, all heart-shaped and very cute. I'm still to bring out my Christmas mugs. This one I've had in Italy, and I still haven't unpacked all the boxes from my Italian place, but I know I have a bit more mugs. I mean, I wasn't like collecting mugs, I don't have a whole bunch of them, but you know, I do have some cute ones in the boxes still. Look at this goodness.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
And now I'm going to take my vitamin B. I'm almost out of it. Yeah, I think today is my last day. It was a bottle for 1.5 months actually. Yeah, 45 days. I think they helped. Vitamin B is something that I occasionally take. It's definitely helping me with my nerves because, you know, when you have challenges with your spine and with your postural structure and with the neck and all, vitamin B can be very helpful, especially for my neck hernia. So yeah, occasionally I will take vitamin B, but vitamin B can be very heavy for organs to absorb and to just process. So I'm taking the one that has natural extract. This is from quinoa, I believe. So it's easier for the organism to absorb and to process. Hey guys, as I've told you, now the plan is to clean a bit my studio. I'm first going to vacuum everything and then just tidy up things and put them in order, because I just like to work from a nice clean space. Look at the weather today. This is my desk, it's my workspace, and this is the part where it can get messy. As you can see, I'm actually working from this space here that is super old, like more than 100-year-old sewing machine. So I don't have a lot of space here, but I really like this for my desk. I think it's absolutely gorgeous and it really inspires me, and it's like a boost of creativity and everything. But I do really need to sort these things out. I was doing Feng Shui school from here, so we had to draw something, yeah, and I have homework to do. But I need to sort this place out a little bit, and here is where I have some packages that I wanted to film for you guys, and I have some things for my creativity and some paint. Yeah, these are all the things that I need to sort out still. And here I have some clothes that I bought in second-hand store. I was vlogging about it, but I haven't shown you the clothes, so I am like keeping it here until I make a video, and I need to do that video ASAP because I need to sort out these clothes later. Okay, I need to water my plants. I can't forget about that. They are making my living space so nice, nicer, and just more beautiful. So I need to take good care of them. Now I'm going to get one plant to put in this vase here. This is a little cacti that I got on my summer vacation on the island of Solta in southern of Croatia. So it reminds me on my happy place, as I like to call it. It was really beautiful there. This little guy doesn't really like to be indoors. He was doing great when he was outside in springtime, but in wintertime I need to keep it in house, but in springtime I'm going to put it outside again. I need to clean this beautiful flower. It's made of Murano glass, and this was our wedding present actually. So I unpacked it, and now I'm going to place it somewhere in my art studio. I love it so much. I'm just going to clean it with soap and water. Look how gorgeous it is.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like
work in progress, guys. I'm still cleaning and reorganizing. These are some paint, acrylic paint that I have here that I need to sort out, and this is the flower that I was talking to you about, and I put it here in this vase. This is the art box that my hubby gifted me. This is actually vintage. It's a professional art box from Italy, made of real wood, and I washed the containers that were inside, so everything is going to be nice and clean. He actually used this many years ago for his school because he was studying car design, so he had to, you know, paint a lot, and it's a little bit broken here, but I don't really mind. It's still very functional and very, very beautiful. And I really like how I decorated this corner here with lots of plants, lots of green here. Here I'm going to also store my brushes and some paint, and I hope it's going to be functional as well. I don't have so much space, but I think I made the most out of it, and obviously I will have to protect the wooden floors when I start painting and cover them with a white sheet or something. Yeah, so I think most of the work is done. I still need to sort this pile here and put it somewhere where it's going to be, you know, ready to film.